Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. We're working on that Mercedes here. It's a W211 E-Class from 2003 and 2009, guys. That model. We'll show you if your trunk doesn't open with the button inside. Okay, that's the button I'm talking right here. You can check the fuse. We'll have a video which fuse it is, but if it's on the fuse, it's very possible that you have a bad switch. That's the switch I'm talking about. Okay, this one right here. So stay with us and we'll show you guys. Okay, ours doesn't work. We'll show you how to remove and how to replace that switch now. Not very complicated procedure at all. Okay, so first we grab the prying tube and you need to start gently pulling out. Okay, but don't put too much pressure because those are breakable. Okay, you have a couple clips there. Okay, and it came out. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to disconnect the wire. Okay, so we need to press down, okay, right there, and pull the wire out. Okay, and it's out of there now. Okay, next you need Torx 10, T10 bit. Okay, and I believe we need to remove this one next. Okay, that screw right there. Okay, you need to remove it all the way. Once you get it loose, usually you can even turn those by hand. Okay, this is the screw right here. And now you can grab the button and pull the button out of there. Okay guys, so this is the switch for the trunk lid. Okay, so that's how you guys remove it. That's how you replace it. You just put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.